Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Wildcard Wednesday video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's adventure, I am featuring the Banner Sayings bundle as well as the Brushed with Beauty dies and the Eyelet 3D embossing folder. So this triple banner punch is currently unavailable, but it will come back to stock, I promise. So at this point of the card making process, I wasn't 100% sure which colorway I was going to go. So I stamped 2 times with this Banner Sayings stamp set and it's the sentiment. So in case you're watching on your mobile device or phone, or you can't see what it says I'm here for you. Sometimes in my career I say I'm here for you. Oh, so funny. Okay, anyway, the Brushed with Beauty dies, they're these tags, and I have already punched out, or sorry, not punch, but die cut one, and then I came in with the Nature Walk Designer Series paper, and Johnny B, my little embossing and die cutting machine here, did a great job of doing these little jobs, right? I use the Big Mama for all the big stuff, but Johnny B is great for being, and I name things, I'm sorry, I'm just a little weird like that. Anyway, here is some dimensions. A couple of people have now told me that they really like seeing if they wanted to duplicate this card. Here are some measurements, and I will share with you kind of what I'm doing. So I had that white piece of cardstock, and I am just gluing the Nature Walk die cut over top of it. So I find that this particular Designer Series paper is a little thin, so I want to back it with something a little stronger, because we're going to be putting it up a little bit, or popping it up, how they say. So I sped this part up because it's a little boring, but I went in with early espresso and my blending brush, and I blended ink along the edges because I'm looking for a worn sort of stained paper, like a little letter, if you would. So this is basic white thick card space, and this is the Eyelet 3D embossing folder. It looks like an eyelet type of material, so it's quite pretty. And I put that on my white card base, so it's white on white. You'll have to wait for the pictures at the end to see the actual dimension that it gives, I'm sure. And then this is a piece of the Brushed with Beauty Designer Series paper, and then I have also some vellum that I put over top. Now, did you not see that transformation of that paper? It was a little busy and it was a little strong, and then just by putting that vellum over top, muted it back, and it made it a lovely, soft, almost like a nod towards Victorian kind of feel. So that's where I'm going with this card. And I have some linen thread. It's been a while since I used linen thread. And I just poked that through, made a little loop, and no bow tying. Thank the Lord. Like, I'm being grateful where where I can. I did not have to tie a bow on film. I do apologize that this video is coming out a little bit late. I had to do some computer updates after I got home from work, and I had to start it late, so I apologize. But I am making my promise to make sure that I am consistent this year. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting dimensionals on my paper side, because that tag's going to hang off the end, but I also wanted to put the tag on dimensionals as well. So the left dimensionals are doubled and the right dimensionals are singled. Hope you're picking up what I threw down just there. So I'm going to decorate this card with some pearls. And literally, you guys, it has been a hot minute since I decorated with our basic pearls. And I have to say, just because I don't ever want them to go away, I really feel that if you just add them to your shopping list, and I don't care who you shop with. I mean, it's great if you can shop with me if you're Canadian, but if you're not, make sure that, you know, you purchase the things that we really like. And I really like the basic pearls, and I really like the rhinestones, and I will use them in an upcoming video. So you saw what I did there. One of the punches I chose to use, and I just brushed some crumb cake ink on there. So you guys, you know, I'm going to leave a link in the description box in case you want to check out any of the product for yourself. But yeah, that is my share for today. I want to remind you, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, basically it's free to subscribe. So if you want to go ahead and click that subscribe button for me, I would really appreciate it, because it does help my channel be exposed to other people, maybe other Canadians or other people in the world that are card makers and could use some inspiration. So as for our community here, I think of course, my audience is the best out there. So I know that you will be leaving me some lovely comments below, because you have done that before, and I really appreciate them. So I will be back on Friday. I promise. So I'm going to leave you here today. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.